Hello guys, welcome to another video, and in this one I'm going to be showing you how you'll be able to connect your Spotify account to your Discord application. Now I'm here on my phone, so it's going to be a simple tutorial. It's going to be a fast one, so I want you to be paying attention. So first of all, let's head over to Discord for this one. So make sure that you already have logged on into your Discord account. Now what you need to do is to head over to you here on the bottom right part of the screen, click on it, and then as you can see, I have all the connections over here such as my Facebook, Spotify, Steam, Xbox, and YouTube. So you want to focus on Spotify part here. As you can see, if I click on Spotify, it will send me to my playlist and my Spotify account. So what you need to do just this is to go over here to the gear icon on top right corner of your screen, and then you'll head over to connections down here. As you can see, you can find everything that's connected to your account, from your Facebook again to Spotify, and you have the choice to display it on profile, or whether you want to display Spotify as your status. That means when you're listening to music, it will appear on your Discord status. Now what you need to do now is to add here in the top right corner, scroll down until you find Spotify and just click on Spotify. And now you just need to log into Spotify. Again, just go add and then go Spotify and then log in to your Spotify and then follow the instructions that come after. It's that simple. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.